In September 2025, Midjourney dropped something huge, the Style Explorer. It lets you instantly apply visual themes to your prompts. And since then, new styles keep showing up almost every week. I like to think of styles as creative speed dating for your prompts. You meet a lot of different looks, and suddenly one just gets you. So today, I'm going to show you how to master styles in Midjourney, what they are, how to use them, and how to find and combine the perfect ones for your projects. Let's dive right in. If you're on the Explore page, look to the right. You'll see a little tab that says Styles. Midjourney gives you a preview with 3 sample images for each one. Click on it, and a full gallery opens up, showing exactly what that vibe looks like. Let's test it. I'll use a super simple prompt, Action Sports Photography. Now, when you click the little copy icon, the style code automatically gets added to your prompt. Just hit enter, and Midjourney starts generating. Let's try a few more. Each style has its own code, kinda like its digital fingerprint. All right, switching over to the Create page. Here's the same prompt without a style reference. Still looks great, right? Fast forward a little. Nice. I'm loving this fisheye effect. Perfect for sports shots. Every style tweaks the final image in its own creative way. And that's where the fun begins. Okay, now let's go a little deeper. Back to the Styles page. You can sort styles by top day, top week, or top month. Or check out what's hot, random, or liked by you. But here's the magic part. You can drop your prompt right in, hit Try Style, and it auto-runs while keeping your prompt visible. Now you can scroll through styles and test them instantly, one click at a time. This is basically creative speed dating for your prompts. You get a ton of visual inspiration super fast. Let's compare it. Here's my prompt without a style. Fast forward again. Nice. It's crazy how each style changes the mood so much. Sometimes it's like, whoa, I did not expect that. All right, time to level up your search game. Let's say I want to make something photography related, maybe a photo of a woman in Milan. You can scroll randomly or check top styles, but most won't fit. That's where the search bar becomes your best friend. And trust me, it's way better than you'd expect. Let's type in photography. Yes, way more relevant results. Now let's get specific. Street photography or travel photography? Oh yeah, these look solid. The Midjourney search feature actually gives really solid results. It shows me which styles might work best for my prompt. Little pro tip, if you ever need inspiration, just ask ChatGPT something like, hey, what types of photography exist? You'll instantly get a bunch of creative directions to search for. Now, let's check the results. Midjourney is amazing, but hey, not everything's gold. I'll hide what I don't like. And here's another tip. When you click Use Prompt, Midjourney automatically copies both the prompt and the style code, so you can create more images with that exact same look. Super handy for consistency. Now we're getting into the fun part. Let's mix things up. I'm going to make a minimalist product photo. See a style you love? Tap that little heart icon. Boom, it's saved. All your liked styles live under the Likes page. Let's like a few, because now we're going to combine them. Yep, you can stack multiple styles in one prompt. Just copy one code, paste another after it, and Midjourney blends them. You can even go triple stacked if you're feeling wild. But honestly, more than 3 and it gets messy. Back to the Create page, and yeah, look at that. You can actually see all the style codes used on the right side. By default, every style is weighted evenly, 50-50 if you use 2. But here's a pro move. Add 2 colons and a 3 after one style to make it 3 times stronger than the other. You can totally control which vibe dominates. And yep, you'll notice right away when one style takes over. Okay, let's talk about something people often overlook: style intensity. Say I'm creating a modern living room. I've already saved some favorite styles. Let's test them. Simple and clean. Futuristic. Oh wow, no thanks, not my style. A lovely sketch. Dark but rich textures. This is modern art. Let's scroll back up. Sometimes a style is just too strong. It dominates the whole image. So how do you tone it down? Easy. Just add the style weight parameter followed by a number. Default is 100. Let's try 75, 50, and 25. 0 doesn't make much sense. You can even push it up to 1000 if you want the style to completely take over. See how the style influence fades? Yeah, that's more like it. Balanced, not overwhelming. Oh, and that gives me an idea. Let's bring back that sketch style. I'll remove the weight parameter. Add the code inside the prompt. Hit enter. Yes, that's exactly the look I wanted. The line between sketch and reality just blurs away. Looks like a high-end illustration. Last round, time for some bonus tricks. If you're just brainstorming and don't know where to start, type random instead of a style code. I like to set the aspect ratio to 1:1 for smaller previews. Sometimes you'll get absolute trash, but sometimes pure gold. And the trick is, run it a few times. Randomness gets better the more you roll it. And here's my final tip for today. Maybe you're scrolling through your images and suddenly spot something really cool. And you're like, wait, what style did this come from? How does the style card look like? Here's what you do. Copy that style code. Now, you could just paste it into the search bar, but nope, that won't get you what you want. The trick is this. Click on any style card, then look up at your browser's address bar. Replace the code at the end of the URL with the one you just copied. Hit enter, and boom, there it is. You're back on that exact style page. Let's check if there's more of that style. Oh yeah, there it is. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more Midjourney stuff and creative workflows, check out my other videos. If you learned something new today, do me a favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you want more AI creativity tips every week. Thanks for watching. Now go open Midjourney and make something awesome.